Why do some YouTubers grow faster and others are kind of like stuck and even throwing in the towel by quitting? So let's break it down. Let's look at this. Let's analyze it. What could be the issue? Why are some people growing fast and others are rather going backwards and even quitting totally? So if you look at it deeply, you realize that it's all about the mindset. It's all about how we deal with all the challenges we face as a creator and the decisions we make. And if you want to grow as a creator, okay, or even in any area of your life, your mindset has to be in the right place. Because if it's not, well, the possibility of you being stuck and even giving up completely is very, very large. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Angela, the face behind this channel, and I'm always excited to come here and share with you one or two things to inspire you, encourage you to keep you going and be the best version of yourself as a creator and of course as a person. All right, let's analyze this. Why are some of us progressing and some of us rather not? Well, these are my thoughts. Okay, you see, winners adapt, and why losers, they blame. Okay, they find what to blame. Okay, if you look at it very well, you will see that most of the creators that are thriving, they see challenges as a learning opportunity. Okay, so when something is not working well, they don't blame the algorithm, they don't blame YouTube, they don't blame anything else. Rather, they try and look into the challenge and see what is not working and what they can do better. Okay, so it's all about the mindset, how you process whatever is happening to you or around you and whatever you are going through in any situation at all. Okay, so winners adapt. You have to learn to adapt to everything that is going on with your channel, with your content creation journey, and overall. And then consistency beats perfection. If you are not consistent, you cannot be perfect. Okay, it is when you are consistent that you will even build yourself to that level of being perfect, although we know that nobody and nothing is perfect, right? So but consistency has a way of making your journey as a creator easier, because you are getting more experience, you are getting more used to the life of being a content creator, and you improve, you see where you can improve, and it makes the journey easier. So if you are not consistent and you are so focused on perfection, you want to make that video perfect before you post it, you want to look perfect before you record yourself, you can feel and stay stuck like that. Okay, because you cannot be waiting for everything to be perfect for you to put out a video or for you to do what you have to do. Okay, consistency definitely beats perfection. You want to be consistent and worry less about appearing perfect and being perfect. Okay, and of course, being patient wins the game. If your body too dey hot, you don't go fit make am o. You have to be patient, because you don't even know how long it's going to take you for you to get to your destination. And even if you get to your destination, you still have to keep being consistent, keep showing up, and you still have to keep doing what you have to do to get to that level of return that you want to be getting from your content. Okay, you have to be patient. Patience is very important in everything that we do in life, so we have to learn to exercise patience while we are still trying to gain our foot as a YouTube creator. While you are still learning to grow, learn to be patient, because it's only patience that will help you win the game. If you are not patient, you are likely to quit, especially if you are not seeing any views, you are not getting subscribers at the moment. If you are not patient, you risk the chance of giving up completely. So whatever you are doing, be patient, it will get better. Do well to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and like this video. Let's support each other. And what you can do to grow your channel as well, please visit each other's channel. Make sure you are watching each other's video before you like, comment, and then subscribe to each other. Please don't comment sub for sub. Find a coded way to spread the good vibes. Okay, do it the right way so that your subscription will count. let's forge ahead. So another thing that that keeps some people stuck while others are growing is the ones that are growing, they focus more on giving value, right? While others are just fixed on, trying to go viral. Okay, so you cannot just go viral. You have to have something that you are offering. You have to have a value that you are creating for your audience to keep coming back. Okay, that is what really matters. So if you are focused on going viral and you are only focused on getting any random video that will make you go viral, you might not even grow like that after all. Okay, imagine one video goes viral and then you are not consistent, you are not able to meet up with that standard of viral video. What will you do? So, but if you are consistent with the type of content you want to be creating and you are consistently giving value, your audience will always stick around, and your audience sticking around, commenting and engaging on your video will also help you grow as a creator. And also be careful not to be creating titles and thumbnails that will appear as a clickbait. Like you design these nice thumbnails and titles just for somebody to click on your video. And then what you have to offer in your video is not actually what your thumbnail was all about. So let's beware. And then, of course, the difference between the creators that are successful and the ones that are rather stuck is the successful ones, they experiment, they try new things. Okay, they experiment, they try new things, they don't just stick to something, they change strategies, they see what's working, what's not working, and they do more of what is working. So, and you need the data from your analytics to make this work. So experimenting and improving your content overall is vital for growth. Okay, because you just have to try different style of video, different type of thumbnails, different type of everything. Just keep experimenting and exploring and do it happily. And like I always say, don't ever compare yourself with anyone. Stay true to yourself, stay committed to your journey, stay focused. And don't remove your eyes from the goal, which is to get your first 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours. And it is doable. Okay, thank you for watching and bye for now. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel.